afternoon. It's another day and we're going out today. We're going out for a spin because John bought a new toy. This man. Have a look at this. There it is. There. So we will give her a spin. I don't know what car is this. I think it is called MG. I don't know. I'm not sure. But look at that. Ooh. John, are you ready? John loves collecting car. Old car. Vintage car. You need to open the door. Like a royalty.
Come on. This is... Do you want to know what it is?
Yeah, you need to... give them a quick tour before we're gonna go.
Well, I bought it. It's all roadworthy at the moment. Good to use, but it needs restoring back to its former glory. But at the moment, we're just going to use it for the summer because it's all good for the road. So, and it is a 1971 MG Roadster, 1800 cc. Right, in you get, madam.
Thank you.
See, oh, it needs all new dashboard.
Look at, oh my God, how low it is. Yeah. It's very low. Ah, I need my sunglasses. My sunglasses in your car, hon.
No, you pull it from the bottom, darling.
You feel so weird. Hon, I don't know how to put the seat belt. I need my sunglasses with me, and to be honest mga palangga, I don't know how to put the seat belt. Where's the seat belt here? I don't know. The car smells so vintage. That's it. We managed to work the seat belt. Oh my God, hon. I need to watch my hat. Because I don't want it blowing off when we are driving. I like this effect, Han.
Yeah, but it's knackered.
It's like a wood.
Yeah.
Woody effect. You see? It's nice that. Ooh, you're ready?
Your sunglasses there.
Hang on, I need to wear my sunglasses. And we're ready!
Yeah.
Oh, no gas, probably. Are you sure this is safe to ride? Honey, oi.
That's what it said.
Are you not getting your sunglasses? Oh. Get your sunglasses first. It feels so weird because the car is very low. It's like you are sitting on the floor. We're ready.
Where should we go?
I don't know. What time is it now?
20 past 2.
That's it, we're going home. We're home. We're finally home. It's nice ride out. It's very fresh.
Fresh, huh?
There's just a bit of squeak. There's a bit of squeaky here. Can I drive, Han? Can I drive?
I don't think the seat will move far enough forward for you, darling. They need sorting. It won't move.
It won't move?
No.
The seat won't move and I have...
Just open your door but don't get out. Open your door but don't get out.
Okay, open the door. Ah, look!
Right, I want you to push.
We're putting the roof. Right, I'm going inside now. Bye! John is just gonna put the car inside the workshop. And We're gonna go inside because I am very thirsty. Hello! Pipa Pipi! I will let you out. I'll be back. I just gonna get some drink. It's nice weather today because yesterday non-stop raining. So susulitin natin yung araw ngayon kasi tomorrow it will give us a rain again. Let's make a coconut tart, mga palangga. So earlier I did prepare my pastry and also the coconut. The coconut, I mixed it with 2 eggs, butter, and a bit of sugar. Saan ko ba kayo ilalagay? Put you right here. It's a bit messy because of the flour and all sorts. So first, I just gonna put a butter in here para hindi lumikit yung pastry natin. Ito na yung pastry. Ihulma lang natin siya sa tin natin. By the way, mga palangga, I am not good at this. I am not professional, so following what I am doing right now is not recommended. It's your own risk if you follow me what I am doing right now. Kasi ako rin, mga palangga, nagpa-practice din ako na mag-bake kasi I'm not a good baker. So ito na sila, mga palangga, na ihulma ko na sila. I still got a pastry over here. We will cook that later after this one because I only have 1 tin. But anyway, I will add a little bit of jam on the bottom and then we will put the coconut. There you are. Ito na sila, mga palangga. So they are ready to go to the oven. While we are waiting for our coconut tart, I will have my tea first. It's on timer, so I will not forget about it. Hopefully talaga na this will be successful. So this is my tea, quiche, coleslaw, fries, and John is in the front room already waiting for me because we will be watching the Crazy Rich Asian because it's in television right now. So yeah, babalikan ko kayo later. Bye! This is it! It's looking good. It is looking good. Oh, yum! This is the moment of truth. So good. It tastes like coconut tart. Oh, I'm so proud with myself. So good. Hello, it's another day, mga palangga. I am outside because we will clean our greenhouse today. It's very fresh outside. And today it's just gloomy day. There's no sun. It's very fresh outside. Mukhang uulan. So anyway, lilinisin natin tong greenhouse. Oh, tingnan nyo. There's a lot of weeds. Yeah, this is not weeds. That's our tomatoes. But underneath, you see that? There's a lot of weeds. And sa other side naman, that's our cucumber, our pineapple, and bell pepper, and the rest is just grass. So ito yung lilinisin natin. I-close natin yung door. Hindi na malamig dito. So mga palangga, samahan niyo ako and let's do this. Look who's here. Itong dalawang to, oh. Sobrang cute niyo. Do you want some treat, huh? Do you want some treat, Pipa and PB? Oh, I will get you a treat, okay? Bigyan natin sila nito. I'm pretty sure that they will like it. There you are. Ooh, nom nom nom. Oh, you enjoyed that, aren't you? Well done. I could tell mga palangga na they enjoy the treat. Anyway, I'm done cleaning the greenhouse. So that's it for our cleaning for today. Oh gosh, this is very funny. I have something to share about. Well, I think this is funny. This one, this little guy right here, sandali lang Pipa. This one, akala ko na chives ito. And if you don't know what is chives, chives is para siyang maliit na spring onions. So, tingnan nyo, have a closer look. Pero sabi ni Jan, this is not a chives. This is actually a weeds. But the thing is, when I made the potato salad, I have used this because I really think that is chives. But actually, this is the chives. So, ito yung chives. It has a pretty flowers. Si Pipa, oy, umiiksi na. At si PB, locally. Ah, you too. Bisitahin natin si Jan sa workshop kasi lately si Jan sobrang busy niya and he spend most of his time doing his Range Rover. Sobrang dami kong karibal mga palangga and lalo na mas nadagdagan pa kasi bumili siya ng MG car, yung car na nakita niyo earlier. So pupuntahan natin kung ano yung ginagawa niya. It looks like it's gonna rain. He's banging. I could hear some banging in the workshop. So, let's see. Hi. What are you doing?
Butter.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to get this in bits, darling.
What is that for?
It's on the rear suspension.
For the Range Rover. You're always spending your time with your Range Rover. You have no time for me.
Don't believe that.
I have a lot of competition right now because this car and John is doing Range Rover. Honey, can I try to drive this? Can I go inside? I really like this car. How to open this? Where's the button? Do you have a key?
You don't see the button.
No, I cannot see the button.
You're right left hand.
This one?
Press the button.
All right. I'll go to the driver's seat. Haha. We'll go to the driver's seat. There you are. And welcome to my car. No, I cannot drive the car because the seat won't move forward and my legs is not long enough. I need to grow. We'll try. Ayaw talaga niya na mag-move forward. Oh, I give up. Aalis na ako eh. Na ayaw. We need to put oil on that chair so that I can move it forward. But anyway mga palangga, that's our vlog for today. Bye Jan. See you in my next vlog. Bye. I'm going away.
Are you
Bye.
making special tea today?
Yes, I will. Bye bye.
Bye, darling.